Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate payback period in Excel. So you can see I have data. Payback period means is the amount of time it takes for investment to recover its original cost from the cash is generated. So let's see to calculate. Select the cell is equal to, first select the initial investment, then divide it annual cash inflow and then press the enter. Now select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you can see the payback period here calculated of every project. Now select the entire column, go to the home tab, click on the conditional formatting, then click on the color scale option and click on the more rules. Here in format style, I click on this drop down arrow and select here the 3 color scale, and in maximum color scale, I select here the red color. In midpoint, I click on this drop down arrow and select here yellow color. And minimum, I just click on this drop down and select here the green color. You can check the preview also here. After that, click on OK. And here you see the maximum payback period is red color and minimum payback period is green color. Okay. And mid period is yellow. So it's better to indicate green to short payback period, better investment, yellow for average, and red for long payback period. Okay. And let's see the next one, label projects. So here I add the one column, labels project. Okay. Then here I select the cell is equal to, type here if, select the if function. Then I select the payback period. Then select the less than sign is equal to 5, then comma, double quote, type here invest, then double quote, comma, double quote, review. Okay, then double quote, bracket close. And here in this formula, if D2 means payback period is less than is equal to 5, then labels will invest, otherwise review. So I press the enter and here you see. So select the cell, double click on this corner point, and you can see the review is more than 5 payback period here showing. Okay, less than 5 and is equal to 5 is showing the invest. So this is the way you can add the labels for your project also. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.